हाल ही में रिलीज हुआ जादूगरी एंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस यार, बहुत बहुत ही प्यारा गाना है
ये गाना इट्स रियली स्पेशल फॉर अस बिकॉज दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट कोलैबोरेशन एंड डेफिनेटली नॉट आवर लास्ट. तो हाँ जी, वी जस्ट होप के ये जादूगरी दैट स्टार्ट इन दिस हाउस द मैजिक कैन क्रीप इनटू एवरीवन एल्सेस.
ओह नाइस
तो मैंने जब से कहा कि जब सिंगिंग होना है ना तो gotta keep those muscles active. ये नहीं
Yeah.
कि बस जब बुलाए कोई तो मैं गाऊंगा
हाँ.
वरना मैं यानी वो एडवाइस देकर मैं खुद कभी कभार पछताता हूँ. सारा दिन ये गा रहा है कंटिन्यूस. जब और इसके बाजू में रूमी है, कभी कभार ये जाता है
Oh man, yeah.
इट्स 3 in the morning करके चले जाते हैं. माही व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? It's 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
I wanna sleep.
Once he was right. Once I was doing some, I don't know why, at 2 in the morning I got this जोश कि मुझे वो सरगम करना है and I started singing. He walked in, what's wrong with you? 2 in the morning. I said, yeah, calm down, man. And I went full, I'm practicing my art and you are coming and screaming at me.
I have a very difficult question for the two of y'all. Do you all have a favorite Shan song?
I'll go for जब से तेरे नैना. I think that's a fan favorite. And
I have a Hey Shona.
तुम्हें पता तो होगा तुम्हें पे मैं फिदा हूँ, तुम्हें है जब से चाहा हवाओं में उड़ता हूँ, तुम्हें मेरे हर पल में, तुम आज में तुम कल में, हे शोना हे शोना. Hi, this is Mahi.
Hi, this is Shan.
Hi, this is Soham.
And you're watching us on Bollywood
Bollywood
Hangama
Hangama
with
with
Urban.
गाइज अप्रेजल का टाइम है ना, बहुत सारे लोगों को प्रमोशंस मिल रहे हैं. आज मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे भी प्रमोशन मिल गया है बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स आई हैव इंटरव्यूड शान, टुडे आई सिट विथ हिज son. My god. Hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. Mahi and Soham, welcome. And Shan, of course, you're always here. You're always
Yeah.
part
No,
of,
of
you're
course, of
always
course,
part of
of course.
Hangama. So सबसे पहले तो here's wishing you Shan a very very happy Father's Day. This is the Father's Day special show. आप लोग भी wish करो, चलो जल्दी wish करो यार.
We'll wish him
Yeah.
Yeah.
more time.
I want to ask you all this first question कि that घर पे माहौल कैसा रहता है? Like इतने सिंगर्स, इतना म्यूजिक अराउंड है, तो अंताक्षरी खेलते रहेंगे आप लोग हर बार?
जी, I think you'll have to ask this one to mom, who
अच्छा.
is I think perpetually frustrated क्योंकि at some or the other point one of us is screaming our lungs out or playing music too loud. So we enjoy it, but sometimes mom gets a little frustrated.
कभी कभी क्या होता है कि like we'll have a discussion about म्यूजिक में क्या चल रहा है आजकल, बिजनेस का क्या हो रहा है, ये सब वो सब, डिनर टेबल पे ये सब चल रहा है.
Wow.
और मम्मी अकेली बैठ रही है, वो सोच रही है कि ये सब क्या हो रहा है. थोड़ा ओपन डिस्कशन भी करवाओ अबाउट अदर थिंग्स.
Lovely.
हाँ, अगर बिजनेस की बात चले तो मम्मी के कान
Proper
फिर भी
business,
अलर्ट हो
हाँ,
जाते
yeah,
हैं
पर
बिकॉज
music-
शी इज गॉट मोर इनपुट्स ऑन दैट साइड.
Yeah,
बट
yeah.
अगर क्रिएटिव बात हो रही है तो फिर थोड़ी सी बोलेगी यार ये फिर ही शुरू हो गए लोग.
हाँ.
तो वो होता है.
Shan, tell us, like, what is the special bond that you have with your kids? How are you as a father? If you have to define yourself, are you a strict father? नरम दिल के हैं? कैसे define करेंगे अपने आप को?
डिफाइन तो यही करेंगे मुझे क्योंकि लेकिन हाँ एक बात है कि सोहम वाज अवे फॉर द लास्ट 3 साल यूएस में था. नाउ ही इज अ ग्रेजुएट एंड हमारे परिवार का पहला ग्रेजुएट है.
वाह, वाह,
बहुत उपलब्धि. मैं भी हूँ ग्रेजुएट, लेकिन मैं कभी उस चीज़ का प्रमाण पत्र नहीं दे पाऊंगा. आई कांट प्रूव इट बिकॉज आई डिडंट कलेक्ट माय सर्टिफिकेट. बाय देन
अब अवार्ड कलेक्ट करने में मतलब
शुरू हो
busy
गया
थे
था
ना
काम.
फिर?
तो ऐसे चलो ठीक है यार, अभी
जी,
क्या
जी,
करेंगे इस सर्टिफिकेट का. बट ये बात कहकर मैं हमेशा कहते रहा कि आई एम आल्सो ग्रेजुएट बट आई कांट प्रूव इट. बट द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्ली
Official graduate.
official
Official
graduate,
graduate
not his father, not his grandfather, not his great grandfather. तो हाँ,
ये मुझे
वो है.
suddenly I'm remembering that scene from DDLJ. ये तुम्हारे दादाजी, आपने देखा होगा ये दोनों?
हाँ.
ये नहीं रहे, ग्रेजुएशन नहीं किया इन्होंने, ये इन्होंने भी नहीं किया.
अच्छा ऐसा था. चलो
Very
रियल
funny
लाइफ
scene.
में शायद हमसे
Amazing,
inspired
but
होकर किए थे.
congratulations.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
हाँ.
But the point is that he's back. And he's back for good. It's not like planning to चलो यार डैडी मम्मी से मिलके भाई को थोड़ा क्या करा बेटे ठीक ठाक करके निकल जाए कहीं. So he's here. So
Yeah.
असली मजा आप शुरू होने वाला है.
जी, जी, जी.
Otherwise of course we got enough time to
Yeah.
bond. I think those 3 years that he got alone,
हाँ.
he made up by getting those
अच्छा.
3 years when he was away.
Oh yeah, well.
तो एकदम बैलेंस हो गया है पूरा एक्ट.
बट ये कितनी बार आप लोग ने भी सुना होगा कि ही डजंट लुक लाइक अ डैड, या आपके भाई लगते हैं.
Oh, तो every day I think आजकल हर कमेंट में हर मतलब डीएम में we see that same thing कि wow, three brothers. तो I think हमारे लिए अच्छी बात है
So hum is like tired of this.
हाँ यार, बस हो गया ये सब. My dad. It's a good thing only. Like,
Yeah.
it's predicting the future genes. Hopefully we'll
Yeah,
we'll
they'll
be the
stay
same.
young. Think about it.
Yeah.
Fingers
बाल
crossed.
बाल सब कुछ intact.
Actually,
बहुत
हाँ.
important चीज है.
ये तो फिर भी मुझसे यंग है. मैं तो मेरे डैड से बुजुर्ग लगने लगा हूँ. Imagine that.
No.
So yeah, because I've always had my dad's image as a very young man. I lost him
Yeah.
early, but then so I don't know what an old dad is like. So I can't be old because I don't know what an old dad is like.
That
Oh, I
should
didn't
be.
think about
Yeah, that is
हाँ,
it's a
ये
good
अचानक से आया था.
good point.
Wow.
Yeah.
So I want to stay young, and also the thing is that while growing up, also maybe because two boys, so we have similar interest sports, ये वो, तो जब compete भी करता था इनके साथ, तो कभी भी हाँ इनको कोई खास लीनेंसी नहीं मिलती थी. हाँ, एटलीस्ट वो टिपिकल दिखा के हाँ मैं इजी हो रहा हूँ ऐसा नहीं. पर थोड़ा लाइक वो win the race, ऐसा छोड़ता नहीं.
Amazing.
So keep
यार.
pushing them.
क्या बात
So
है.
now, for me, the fear is that they are waiting. चल, daddy, अब आजा मैदान में. Let's have a run now and let's see what happens.
I think
So.
आजकल we'd still be sweating before the race starts.
Yeah,
We are very
yeah.
fit.
ये अच्छा है.
Yeah.
Competition होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
It's a
they-
healthy
they-
competition for sure.
Moved on, but मैं छोड़ भी नहीं रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैदान छोड़ नहीं रहा हूँ. That's the
सही
point.
बात है. So Mahi, you've sung a beautiful track. हाल ही में रिलीज हुआ जादूगरी, and congratulations यार. बहुत ही प्यारा गाना है. I really want to tell you this that we all come from the era of indie pop,
जी.
and the जीती जागती मूरत is here. And एक कमाल की चीज उस जमाने में होती थी कि हम इजी लिसनिंग गानों में बिलीव रखते थे.
जी.
जादूगरी इज दैट ट्रैक,
जी.
एंड so हम यू हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड द ट्रैक.
Among many others. But
among
yes.
many others.
He's been,
तो एक तो
pretty
भाइयों
busy.
के साथ मतलब काम करना, how
जी.
was it easy?
It-
शान इज ऑलरेडी.
नहीं, दोनों को अलग-अलग पूछना पड़ेगा ये.
हाँ, तो
I've
पहले
seen
आप
this happening in front of
पहले
me.
माही आप जवाब दे.
Gee, I think it was a lot easier क्योंकि at some point when you work with obviously other producer and all, there's a certain formality, certain process के hey bro, all well, बस यही change करना है. But obviously when the producer is right next to you, say भाई come on यार ये change कर लो ना quickly. So that became a lot easier, and also obviously the comfort with him will obviously be so much more. And I think ये गाना it's really special for us because this is our first collaboration and definitely not our last. तो हाँ जी, we just hope के ये जादूगरी that start in this house, the magic can creep into everyone else's.
Oh, nice.
क्या
अभी
बोल रहे
असली
हैं?
बात. So now tell the real thing.
जादूगरी घर से
नहीं,
निकल के दुनिया.
She's saying nothing but the
अच्छे.
truth. मतलब
Were you bribed a lot?
नहीं, दोनों में
If I talk, I'm in trouble.
If you talk, you are in trouble.
If I speak, I'm in trouble. नहीं, पर the thing was मैं भी वो LA पे ही था for the bulk of the process जब जादूगरी का काम हो रहा था उस टाइम पे. So even the communication of day and night, it was a lot more comfortable because I would be half asleep talking to him, but वो ऐसे ही चलता रहता था क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली कॉल्स भी ऐसे होते थे. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि it felt unnatural or difficult to communicate or converse even with despite the time difference. उसके ऊपर I felt a certain, maybe it's as an older brother I had this whatever गुजारिश ख्वाहिश कि I need to make sure that he's also
Guzarish is also one of their singles. Anyway,
Yeah,
go on.
that's another small
That's another story.
but no, I tried really hard to make sure that he was as involved in the process as possible and not treated like how I would another client. I treat all my clients great. But in terms of, this is a special person for me, of course, right? So in terms of getting him very intertwined with the process, ki from the beginning of the production to the final touches, mixing and mastering tak, how can I make sure that he is always clued in and understands the process? So usko bhi lagega ki this is our song together versus I'm making a song or we are making a song separately in our own processes. There had to be a combined effort. So that was a big priority.
Lovely.
और मेरे लिए एक प्राउड मोमेंट ये था कि एक्चुअली इट वाज मतलब देयर वर काफी फ्रंट रनर्स फॉर द सेकंड. क्या होता है कि पहला गाना आ जाता है उसके बाद एक अलग एक्सपेक्टेशन, क्योंकि सॉरी रियली वेल द फर्स्ट ट्रैक वाज अ बिग सक्सेस, और उसके बाद अ फॉलो अप. तो बहुत सारे गाने थे, बहुत सारे चॉइसेस थी, म्यूजिक कंपनी को
Hmm.
जिसमें से उनको सिलेक्ट करना था, तो भाई साहब ने भी अर्जी रख दी थी। उस तरह से उन्होंने काफ़ी सारे, ही हैड वर्कड विद अदर प्रोड्यूसर्स आल्सो एंड यू नो अदर कंपोजर्स, सम रियली गुड स्टफ। तो उसमें से उन्होंने ये ना सोचते हुए कि किसने क्या किया है, एज अ सॉन्ग दे पिक्ड अप जादूगरी।
Lovely.
So for me that was a very proud moment also, that you know
Yeah,
that something has, the synergy has worked, कि दोनों साथ में काम किया। And of course Siddhant is a big part of the,
Yeah.
Siddhant
Of course.
Bhosle is a big part of the whole process also. So I think that team was chosen, so that felt good, without कोई सिफारिश, without कोई you know
हाँ.
pushing कि नहीं नहीं नहीं
Correct.
यही
correct.
होना चाहिए, यही होना चाहिए। So
The
that was a
boys
good thing.
mentioned that, you know, even while growing up, you wouldn't, you know, take them for any in music composer को मिल लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. So at what point, at what age did you realize that they wanted to get into music as a career?
I think, you know, be it music, be anything, I've not kind of been that kind of very supportive. I've always let them do their thing and find their own space out. I mean, कभी कभार you know, कभी बच्चा बुली होकर आता था तो मेरा रिएक्शन था कि फाइट फॉर योरसेल्फ, मैं नहीं जाऊंगा किसी को ये करने के लिए। इनफैक्ट उल्टा था, इनके साथ अगर किसी का, जैसे बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, दूसरे बच्चे मेरे पास आते थे और मैं इनको डांटता था, तो थोड़ा उल्टा था। आई डोंट नो वेदर दिस इज मे बी ओल्ड स्कूल पेरेंटिंग है, पता नहीं क्या था, बट आई थिंक दैट्स मेड देम मच मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर। दे फिगर्ड कि ये डैड का सपोर्ट कुछ खास मिलने नहीं वाला है, जो कुछ भी करना हमें खुद ही करना होगा। एंड आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स दे न्यू एट द बैक ऑफ द माइंड दैट ही इज देयर, बट साथ साथ ये नहीं था कि मैं, हम लोग कुछ भी करेंगे और वो डैड हमारे लिए एल्बम बना देगा, हमारे लिए गाना कर देगा, हमें you know he will back us until I see that potential.
Yeah.
And that potential, until the third person sees na, we are to always blinded, we are in love with our children, we think our children are the best, but I feel कि जब सामने से कोई आके कहता है कि यार बंदा अच्छा कर रहा है, you know,
Correct.
your boy is doing well, then you feel that हाँ maybe they are good. Otherwise, you know, पितरी प्रेम में we are blinded.
Absolutely.
And those blind folded dads बहुत घूम रहे हैं दुनिया में, they you know, और फिर उसको फिर अलग अलग नाम भी बुलाया जाता है। सो आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू से दैट आई हैव वेरी लिटिल योगदान इन देयर करियर्स सो फार, एंड नाउ तो दे हैव टेकन ऑफ। अब तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये मेरे करियर में थोड़ा योगदान दे। So there is, yeah. Very often people say, you know, take them with you for shows. You should have taken them with you for, you know, your sessions. ये वो you. It's a different world now.
Yeah.
You know,
like I've actually never seen
I
them.
am trying to unlearn that.
And I've
इनको वो सब दिखाकर सिखाऊंगा तो they'll be more confused.
Correct. No, I've attended so many of your live shows, concerts, interviews. I've literally never seen them being part of it. या फिर आपने कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा कि अरे इनको भी बिठा दो, इनसे भी कुछ गवा लो। कितनी कमाल की चीज़ है।
ये बहुत पहले से समझ लिया था।
ये बताया, I'd like to ask
वो shadows में आप जितना रखोगे वो उतना वो shadows में ही रहेंगे।
Correct.
Push them, let them, जो भी है उनकी जैसे भी है, let them deal with the heat. Yeah, and that's where they'll come from. I'm very proud of them.
What is a piece of advice that Dad has given you all in terms of your musical career that you'd like to share?
एक obviously वो creative बातें होती है in terms of whatever, refining lyrics or working on, you know, following chord structure, वो सब technical बातें तो होती रहती है। पर one very important piece of advice he's given me is to just do the, I mean, it's a very simple piece of advice, but it's very important. Just make the most out of every situation, make the most out of every opportunity. मतलब ऐसी मत सोचो कि मतलब मेरे हाथ पे फिसल गया या कुछ ऐसा हुआ. Whatever is in your hand, whatever is controllable today, make the most of it. Make the most out of it. Make the best out of it. And it's a very simple piece of advice, but sometimes you get so blinded by so many different things in terms of I could have done this better, this is there, and you think of the things that are not in your hand so much that you forget what's really there to finish right now, work on right now. So that is one very strong piece of advice.
I think brother put it really well, and you know that just that ideology of, you know, staying in the moment and making the best of what's in front of you is something that he's done all his career, and it's something that he sort of imbibed in us.
And it's taken him so far.
Yeah.
So from a role model perspective, also seeing that. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's a piece of advice that isn't being utilized.
We see it every day.
He is the manifestation of that advice.
Exactly.
So we have to, you know.
And I want to I just want to say that there are singers that have come and gone. There are singers who have had their era. But Shan का era मतलब चलते ही जा रहा है.
हाँ,
What is
of
this
course,
like?
बहुत चलते चलते बहुत दूर चले गया है, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कहाँ है वो.
4 कदम से.
नहीं, but I feel कि जब बच्चे थोड़े से बड़े हुए, say by 2009-10, you know, I found a little more free time. I think, of course, Swam probably, see, 2002, so by the time he was 4 or 5, he didn't get much of his dad, generally phone calls, but by the time Shub grew up and both of them were in that age where, you know,
Yeah.
advice or what is dad up to, वो बात थी. I had enough ample time and, you know, so we spent a lot of that time together. लेकिन हाँ, मैंने उनको कुछ बैठा के, you know, कभी मेरे डैडी कहते थे, वो वाली फील नहीं हुई है. So and I also believe that आप चाहे कुछ भी अपने बच्चों को जितनी भी आप सीख दे दो, सबक दे दो, if you don't practice what you preach, if you don't practice what you
Yeah.
preach,
Yeah, absolutely.
उनको कुछ कहते हो, आप कुछ और करते हो, तो फिर उससे मतलब नहीं बनेगा.
Correct.
So you have to be a role model for your children, and that is an added big responsibility. And I have. Otherwise, मम्मी तो है ही हर चीज पर.
Can you all
कुछ भी हो जाए, mama's little babies are still little babies only.
I guess this question is for all three of y'all. Can you all give us a situation where बहुत ही unconventional तरीके से आप लोग एक दूसरे का साथ निभाते हैं? जैसे फादर सन की जब बात करते हैं तो बहुत तरीके के definitions मिल सकते हैं in terms of, you know, strict father, I barely talk to my dad, or, you know, the fact that we know that we are in the same house but we might not be that affectionate about each other. लेकिन आप तीनों में ऐसी कौन सी बात है, कोई ऐसा किस्सा जो आप बताना चाहेंगे that is like लोग कहेंगे अच्छा ये भी होता है, ये normally नहीं होता है?
Interesting question.
Yeah.
On the spot. पर
एक तो क्या है, म्यूजिक इज अ कॉमन, नॉट जस्ट नाउ, अभी तो प्रोफेशन भी हो गया है, बट पैशन तो था ही शुरू से ही. तो तीनों की जो लगभग ओवरऑल एक टेस्ट टुवर्ड्स द जॉनर्स कैन बी डिफरेंट,
Okay.
बट एक टेस्ट टुवर्ड्स व्हाट इज बिटवीन गुड म्यूजिक एंड बैड म्यूजिक कहीं ना कहीं तीनों के टेस्ट
Yeah.
हाँ.
मिलते हैं. और साथ साथ ये मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा कि पिछले एटलीस्ट 3-4 सालों में मैंने इनसे सीखा ज़्यादा है, बताया कम.
I can give one.
हाँ.
now
Okay.
thinking about
हाँ,
it.
I was just killing time. जल्दी से कुछ ना कुछ बोल रहा था.
इसको काट देंगे.
ऐसे ही.
There are a lot of times, weirdly enough, where sometimes we start talking and we have a problem where we can't stop talking. Like we'll just keep the 3 घंटे 4 घंटे लगातार, मतलब एक टॉपिक से एक टॉपिक से एक टॉपिक, इट्स लाइक अ पॉडकास्ट हो रहा है ऐसा
हाँ,
कुछ
हाँ.
कि we're just discussing and वो एक it's going into something. By the third hour, it's not become बाप बेटा, it's become bro. He start telling me, अरे bro ये देख.
But do you guys share secrets with dad?
Too many sometimes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, I think.
Both ways, huh?
हाँ.
Only-
हाँ.
But it literally turns into then I start calling him bro. If I like this,
Especially जब I would visit him in LA, or, you know, once in a while, like he's traveled to another city where I've gone for a performance and we've hung out together. तो ये podcast मतलब वो शुरू हुआ और दोनों चल रहे हैं, फिर जिम में साथ में, फिर लंच कर रहे हैं साथ में, फिर कहीं पहुंचे कि और कुछ है नहीं, तो एंड में ये ब्रो तक बात आ जाती थी. Whereas शुभ के साथ ऐसा है कि एक तो हम दोनों में ये है कि, you know, we can talk about things that have no relevance to our lives. Whereas this boy is a little more focused कि यार this is what I'm interested in. तो I have realized कि अगर मैं कुछ ऐसी बात कर रहा हूँ, जैसे उसको इतना पॉलिटिक्स में इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है या कोई दूसरी बात, तो वो स्विच ऑफ कर देगा तब तक. वो उसको नहीं, यार अभी इसका मैं क्या करूँ, बिकॉज ही इज ब्लैंक्ड आउट देयर. डैड अभी अलग टेंजेंट में चले गए. सिर्फ एक बार तीनों में बहुत घमासान हुई थी,
जी.
इसके साथ कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं दिया, बट आई रियलाइज फ्रॉम देयर दैट दे आर स्टिल लुकिंग एट थिंग्स फ्रॉम अ मोर यूटोपियन और अ मोर यू नो प्योर फॉर्मेट. और मैं उसी मुद्दे को इनको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि ये दुनियादारी है, इस तरह से आपको, ये डिप्लोमेसी है, ये वो था. तो वो अपने पॉइंट पर भी अड़े रहे, मैं भी अपने पॉइंट पर अड़ा रहा. फिर जो होना था, झगड़ा.
But these are also very
Unbun-
rare. These
हाँ.
are-
Yeah, it's
वो
not like
एक बार
maybe
हुआ था.
once every 4
एक
years,
आध
once every
बार.
3 years.
But whether it be from
agreement.
a political perspective या social awareness जो भी होता है वो सब, we are very sort of naturally inclined in the same position. ऐसा कभी नहीं था कि
हाँ, वो-
पापा ने बोला कि नहीं you have to think of your ideology in this perspective या ऐसे कुछ देखना. I sometimes was surprised that he has such a progressive worldview on things that we never discussed about,
Yeah.
but अचानक से ये बात आ गई सामने,
Hmm.
and I present a certain perspective, and he's fully agreeing with it, and I'm surprised कि अच्छा most parents would not have this kind of worldview or perspective naturally.
Yeah.
And then sometimes I found out like, oh, I didn't even know that, like, we are on the
Amazing,
same
yeah.
page.
You're all in sync. matlab.
Yeah, I think that
That's-
way he's kept himself young, looking at
Kept
political
himself
stuff.
young क्या होता है यार? Young ही तो है. क्या ही?
मतलब-
Kept himself
Yeah,
young.
No, no, मतलब
A lot of
in
people
the
that
mind.
mind, right?
In the
That-
mind also, hopefully.
He's kept himself young. It's not that easy to sort of get it.
Acha, now I have a very difficult question for the two of y'all.
अच्छा.
Do you all have a favorite Shan song?
Yes.
One song, huh? Just one song.
Changes every day. Every interview I get asked this question, and every time I give a different
There's a new
answer.
one.
So people
Which is also
look at it and
typically
think
me.
I'm lying.
मेरी
But,
भी आदत है. सेम सवाल क्योंकि इतनी बार वही सवाल का
हाँ.
सेम जवाब कैसे दूं?
हाँ.
तो इस बार
Correct.
कुछ नया देते हैं.
चलो ठीक है.
इस चक्कर में.
माही?
तो आज कौन सा नया जवाब दोगे?
Today, depending on the mood, the vibes, I'll go for Jab Se Tere Naina. I think that's a fan favorite. And
I have a bias towards Dad's own albums, coming that we both work on, stuff that isn't on film. Of course, that's an aspiration to work on film music, but because of that, I particularly have a fondness towards like the first two albums. So for me, Bhul Ja is like a very, very important song. I think it was such a new sound for that time.
Mm-hmm.
And from a film catalog, then Hey Shona. I just love the melodies.
Oh.
It's a beautiful song.
क्या बात है. अच्छा so
पहली बार ये मतलब मेरे सामने इस
देखिए तो
सवाल का जवाब मिला
हाँ.
मुझे.
तो आज
It's nice
आपसे
to
मेहनत
know.
नहीं कराएंगे लेकिन माही is such a great singer and
हाँ,
I've heard
हाँ.
even Soham sings, right?
Soham is doing
So,
they started
he's-
off City Mall में. Now they have realized that rap का rap को रखते हुए we have to start getting into melody.
Yeah.
So the last 4 or 5 releases have been songs now.
Yeah,
From
yeah,
Guzarish
yeah.
onwards, you all have moved into
More melodic stuff.
yeah.
yeah.
तो but of course
कमाल है.
इसको जब तक इसके 5 और साथियों का साथ नहीं मिलता वो
Soham, would you like to sing?
I'm good. I think we got two great
तो
singers
माही
here.
माही आप
जी.
आप गाइए
Oh, yeah.
ना. Let's hear you singing Shan's song.
Gee, so I
sing
think I'll go.
brothers pick then Yeshona.
तुम्हें पता तो होगा तुम्हें पे मैं फिदा हूँ तुम्हें है जब से चाहा हवाओं में उड़ता हूँ तुम्हें मेरे हर पल में तुम आज में तुम कल में हे शोना
His style is also yaar like you, my
I'm
God.
also doing one of his songs also, so it
Yeah.
would be wrong for me to
Also didn't
go
give
for
a
a different
nanosecond. बोलते ही भम करके शुरू हो गया.
Really?
Yeah, that's one thing
Switch on.
that was pretty clear about, very on. If you want to be a singer, you have to,
Always be ready.
be on your toes.
Oh,
So,
lovely,
जब
lovely.
शुरुआत में मैंने दोनों को ही कहा था बट ये थोड़ा सा बाय नेचर ही थोड़ा सा शाय है तो और इनको मैंने जो एडवाइस दिया अच्छा मुझे लुक देके डैड आई एम आल्सो शाय ऐसी बात नहीं है
मैं भी
नो
shy.
नो नॉट रियली
Not at all.
शाय ऑन सर्टेन
ठीक है.
एस्पेक्ट्स बट मैंने
I do. Yeah.
उसको मैंने जब से कहा कि जब सिंगिंग होना है ना तो करो कीप दोस मसल्स एक्टिव ये नहीं
Yeah.
कि बस जब बुलाए कोई तो मैं गाऊंगा
हाँ.
वरना मैं यानी वो एडवाइस देकर मैं खुद कभी कभार पछताता हूँ सारा दिन ये गा रहा है कंटिन्यूस जब से और इसके बाजू में रूमी है कभी कभार ये जाता है
Oh man, yeah.
इट्स 3 in the morning करके चले जाते हैं माही व्हाट आर यू डूइंग 3 in the morning
Yeah.
I wanna sleep.
Once he was right. Once I was doing some, I don't know why, at 2 in the morning I got this जोश कि मुझे वो सरगम करना है and I started singing. He walked in, what's wrong with you? 2 in the morning. I said, yeah, calm down, man. And I went full, I'm practicing my art and you are coming and screaming at me. But very soon I realized he was right.
अच्छा listen now, I want to know this that जब आप गाना गाते हैं,
जी.
have you realized that there is something that you do that resembles
Of
Shan?
course, I think naturally there will be that sort of I'll be taking a lot of stuff from him. But one thing Dad has always encouraged is that listen to all types of artists, listen to all types of singers. So what I try to do is take a little bit from every artist, and naturally, obviously, a father-son dynamic, obviously I'm going to be taking a lot from him. But at the same time, he's always said that it's not been like, no, you have to listen to the way I sing and do it my way. It's never been like that. It's always been, taking everything from, everyone you hear.
Yeah.
And that's something he's been very clear about.
Apart from Shan, do you all have another favorite singer? And if yes, who is it?
Depends on what which world
Which
you're talking.
world?
Yeah.
तो
चलो,
let's
international
speak in
से
the
शुरू करते
peers.
हैं।
नहीं peers में ही ना।
Peers में?
हाँ।
में?
I
Within
would say it's hard for me, born in 2005, listening to music
2005,
properly.
you're born in 2005?
Yeah, listening to
Yeah.
music properly for the last maybe 13, 14 years.
I think
Obviously,
Arijit
Arijit
has
sir
been,
would be,
Oh,
yeah,
lovely,
obviously a
lovely.
big.
What about you?
And he's done a lot of versatile, different kinds of
Exactly.
songs.
Yeah.
So he's covered a lot of genres also, which is really interesting.
even though I'm 2002 born, I would have to say the same thing.
Yeah,
He's
he's.
he's really up there. Yeah.
he's a man.
Okay, great.
Hi, this is Mahi.
Hi, this is Shan.
Hi, this is Soham.
And you're watching us on Bollywood
Bollywood
Hangama
Hangama
with
with
Urban.